Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy 1st of December. Let the countdown towards Christmas begin. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how we made this DIY advent calendar. Keep watching. To those of you new to the channel, my name is Charlotta from London Art Nanny, and I run private art classes in London with young kids. I also run birthday parties, Christmas fairs, Christmas parties. This year I made a Thanksgiving party as well, together with the school. We crafted turkeys. If you saw last video, that's what we did there. You can see I'm getting my Christmas on here in my studio as well. And in this video, I'm sharing with you how we made this calendar and what I brought to the workshops to create it with the kids. So let's do this. A baking tray, a foil one. And then in my boheme bag, I brought Christmas tree cut out from cardboard. Because the kids that I did art with were 2 to 5, I cut these ones out. The youngest ones, it would be a little bit too challenging to cut it because it's cardboard. Older ones can cut it out themselves, depending on the age and the level of the kids you're doing this with. So we painted the foil, the background with blue, and then we painted the Christmas tree, stuck it on with PVA glue. In the bag, I brought some cotton for snow, and then they stuck that on underneath the tree. And some of them made it snow as well, so they stuck it all around it. In this little bag, I have a bunch of things to decorate it with, like stickers, a wooden star that I painted and stuck it on the tree. And I also used some gold tape that they decorated the tree with, and I mean, you just have fun with that part. This will have the number 24, and then it's stuck underneath the Christmas tree with a little chocolate surprise. Don't tell the kids, but this is what they're getting. A little chocolate Santa. You can see this through this bag a tiny bit, so the older kids actually guessed what it was. What do you think is in number 24?
What do you think, Serena?
What do you think?
It's a chocolate Santa.
The younger kids, I didn't even tell because they would never wait until Christmas if they knew there's chocolate in there. The last thing that I gave to the kids in the workshop was these numbers. As today is 1st of December, they're gonna start with number 1. And then for every day, they put a sticker until they reach 24. And then when 24 arrives, they get to open this little bag and Santa will come to find them. That is my craft for this advent calendar. Let's see if the kids will be able to wait and do it one sticker at a time, or if everyone will do like this 2-year-old and put all the stickers at once. To be fair, it's quite difficult for a 2-year-old to know and understand dates and whatnot, but he could at least practice the numbers with these, and that's challenging enough for a 2-year-old, I think. I'm curious to know if you guys have advent calendars for your kids. Did you make them yourself, or did you buy them from the shop? Do you have the chocolate ones, or do you have toy ones, or is it with a simple picture? Share in the comments below. And thank you so much to everyone who shares your lovely stories in the comments. I really appreciate you, and I love hearing from you and communicating with you. So keep sharing your comments below. I hope you have a calm, lovely Christmas countdown starting today. Thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing if you're new to the channel and want to stay tuned to more crafting and creative ideas to do with your kids. I hope this inspires you to get the brushes out with your kids. If you try any of our crafts out, I would love to see how they turn out, and you can share it with us on Instagram. My Instagram is ldnartnanny. I love to connect with you on Instagram as well. It's easier to communicate on that platform as well, so if you want to connect, find me there. I love to hear from you, as you know. And other than that, Have a fantastic first week of December, and I will see you very soon. I love you guys. Bye. My hair is a bit annoying. It's getting in my face. Maybe I should tie it up. I wish I could eat this chocolate. Where is it? I can't wait for 24th. Can I have it now? And let the countdown begin.